Have you ever dreamed of living forever? What if it's not just a dream, but a reality within our grasp? Picture this for a moment. A world where aging is no longer inevitable but a curable condition. Welcome to the fascinating realm of longevity. Since the dawn of time, humanity has been captivated by the quest for eternal life. The ancient alchemists sought it in the philosopher's stone, while the explorers of old chased the myth of the fountain of youth. Now, we're not talking about myths or magic, but science and technology, and they're providing a glimmer of hope. Today we find ourselves at the crossroads of history, where advancements in biotechnology and medicine are pushing the boundaries of human lifespan. This isn't the stuff of science fiction anymore, it's a budding reality, right here, right now, so buckle up and join us on this exciting journey. What if the key to unlocking eternal life lies in our understanding of the human body and the secrets it holds? Longevity isn't about living forever, but about living healthier for longer. But how does it work? Let's start by unraveling the complex scientific concepts related to longevity. It's like untangling a ball of yarn, where each strand represents a different aspect of our lives that contributes to how long we live. Firstly, there's genetics, the blueprint of life. Our genes are passed down from our parents, and they dictate everything from our hair color to our likelihood of developing certain diseases. Some scientists believe that our genes can also determine our potential lifespan. It's as if there's a biological clock ticking away inside each of us, and our genes set the pace. But our genes aren't the be-all and end-all. There's also a significant role played by lifestyle choices. How we live our lives, the food we eat, the amount of exercise we get, whether we smoke or drink, all these factors can influence our lifespan. It's like a game of chess. We can't control the pieces we start with, but we can decide how to play the game. And then there's medical advancements. Every day, scientists and doctors are discovering new ways to combat diseases, enhance our health, and potentially extend our lives. From breakthroughs in treating cancer to the development of life-enhancing drugs, the field of medicine is continually evolving. It's like we're explorers, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But it's not just about adding years to our life. It's about adding life to our years. The goal of longevity science is to help us live healthier, happier lives for as long as possible. It's about understanding how our bodies work, how they age, and how we can slow down that process. It's about making the most of the time we have. So, when you think about longevity, don't just think about living longer. Think about living better, because at the end of the day, it's not the number of years in your life that counts, it's the life in your years. Understanding the science of longevity allows us to take control of our own health and potentially extend our lifespan. Our genes hold the blueprint of our lives, but how much do they influence our lifespan? The role of genetics in longevity is a field that's as fascinating as it is complex. The human body is an intricate machine, and our genes are like the instruction manual that tells it how to operate. But when it comes to longevity, it's not as simple as following a set of instructions. Our genes can influence our lifespan, but they're not the sole determinants. Let's dive a bit deeper. Genes are sections of our DNA that carry instructions for making proteins, the building blocks of our bodies. Some of these genes have been linked to longevity. For instance, certain genetic variations in the FOXO3 gene and the APOE gene have been associated with a longer lifespan. People with these variations appear to live longer on average than those without them. But it's not just about having the right genes. Our genes interact with our environment and our lifestyle in ways that can influence our lifespan. For instance, a diet high in sugar can turn on genes that accelerate aging, while regular exercise can turn on genes that help repair DNA damage and slow down aging. Scientists are studying these gene-environment interactions to understand how we can live longer. They're also looking at epigenetics, which is the study of changes in gene activity that do not involve alterations to the genetic code but still get passed down to at least one successive generation. These changes can be influenced by factors like diet, stress, and exposure to toxins. So, what does this all mean? It means that while our genes play a role in how long we live, they're not the whole story. Our environment and lifestyle choices can also have a significant impact. And by understanding how our genes work, we can make better decisions about how to take care of our bodies and potentially extend our lives. While we can't change our genes, understanding their role in longevity can help us make informed decisions about our health. You are what you eat and do, but how do our lifestyle choices affect our lifespan? Let's start with diet. Think of your body as a high-performance sports car. It needs the right fuel to operate at peak efficiency. If you fill it with low-quality gas, its performance will suffer. The same goes for your body. Consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is like filling your car with premium gas. It keeps your body running smoothly and helps ward off disease. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can lead to chronic illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer, which we all know can shorten our lifespan. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how much you eat. Studies have shown that calorie restriction, without malnutrition, can extend lifespan in various organisms. This doesn't mean you should start starving yourself, it's about eating less while still getting the necessary nutrients your body needs. Next up, exercise. Regular physical activity is a ticket to a longer life. It reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. It also helps maintain a healthy weight, which is a significant factor in longevity. So get off that couch and start moving. It doesn't have to be a marathon, even a brisk walk around the block can make a difference. Lastly, let's talk about other lifestyle choices. Getting enough sleep, managing stress, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking and excessive drinking can add years to your life. It's also essential to keep your mind active. Engage in activities that challenge your brain, like reading, puzzles, or learning a new skill. Remember, a healthy mind leads to a healthy body. So it's clear that our lifestyle choices have a significant impact on our lifespan. But it's never too late to make changes. Start small, make incremental changes, and over time, you'll see big results. Our lifestyle choices play a crucial role in our health and longevity. By making healthier decisions, we can potentially add years to our life. In the quest for eternal life, medical advancements are our most powerful tools. But what are these advancements? Let's dive into the future, where medical science is pushing the boundaries and giving us a glimpse of what longevity could look like. One of the most astounding advancements is the development of senolytics, drugs designed to clear out old damaged cells, often referred to as zombie cells. These cells can accumulate over time and contribute to the aging process. By clearing them out, we may be able to slow down aging and potentially extend our lifespan. Another breakthrough lies in the realm of gene therapy. Scientists are now able to manipulate our genes, correcting mutations that lead to disease and aging. While we're not yet at the point of genetic fountain of youth, we're making strides in understanding how our genes influence our lifespan. Furthermore, organ regeneration has also stepped into the limelight. With the help of stem cells, scientists are now able to grow functional organs in the lab. Imagine a future where a failing heart or liver can be replaced, not with a donor organ, but with a brand new one, grown just for you. And let's not forget about nanotechnology. Tiny robots, smaller than a grain of sand, could one day be injected into our bodies to repair cellular damage, clear out blockages, and perform other tasks to keep our bodies running smoothly. But it's not just about living longer, it's about living healthier. Many of these advancements aim to extend our health span, the period of our lives where we are free from chronic disease and can live fully and independently. That's the real goal of longevity research. Of course, it's important to note that these advancements are still in the experimental stage. They offer exciting possibilities, but they also come with their own set of challenges and ethical considerations. The advancements in medical science are bringing us closer to the dream of living longer and healthier lives. So, while we may not be sipping from the fountain of youth just yet, the future of longevity looks promising, thanks to these incredible medical advancements. As we stand on the brink of a longevity revolution, what does the future hold? It's a question that sparks both wonder and debate. The future of longevity is teetering on the edge of unprecedented advancements. Imagine a world where age-related diseases are a thing of the past, where we have unlocked the secrets of our genes to slow down aging, where our lifestyle choices can add decades to our lifespan. But with these extraordinary advancements come ethical considerations. How will society adapt to a population that lives significantly longer? What about the potential strain on resources? These are questions we'll have to answer as we stride forward into this brave new world of longevity. Yet despite these challenges, one thing remains certain. The pursuit of longevity is not about chasing immortality, but about enriching the quality of our lives. The quest for eternal life is a fascinating journey. While we may not live forever, the advancements in longevity science are promising a future where we can live longer and healthier lives.